Hariam children, let us start the session. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Om. Again, take a deep breath. Om. Again, take a deep breath. Om. Start beginning prayer.
सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै
Hariom children, today we are going to see the topic is towards history. What is history? History is the study of the past. Events occurring before the invention of writing systems are considered prehistory. History is an umbrella term that relates to past events as well as the memory, discovery, collection, organization, presentation, and interpretation of information about the events. The Stone Age period. The Stone Age was a broad prehistoric period during which stone was widely used to make tools with an edge, a point surface. The period lasted for 3.4 million years and ended between 8700 BCE and 2000 BCE with the advent of metalworking. Cultivation. Agriculture is the science and art of cultivating plants. Agriculture was the key development in the rise of human civilization, whereby farming of domesticated spices created vast surpluses that enabled people to live in cities. The history of agriculture began thousands of years ago.
Through millions of years ago, in an ancient era, men were hunter and lived life as a nomad. They were always traveling from one place to another in search of food, water, and shelter. Early men hunted wild animals and gathered fruits, nuts, and seeds. The life of the early men was a primitive one. They did not wear any clothes during summer, and during winter, they covered their body by the skins of animals, the barks of trees, and leaves. The nights were spent on the trees. They generally used to live in caves and rock shelters. After several years of nomadic life, humans gradually began to settle down to live in one place. This process started about 10,000 years ago, during the New Stone Age. Sources and evidences of early human. Scientists have discovered wealth of evidence related to human evolution. The fossil evidence of early humans indicated that most of the human evolution occurred in Africa and Asia. Several human species were named as Homo. For example, Homo habilis lived in about 2 million years ago and was characterized by having a large brain. They used tools and walked on two legs. Fossils of Java man and Peking man were called as Homo erectus. Evidence of hunter-gatherers was found in many places. These evidences were in the form of stone tools, some finished and some unfinished. A large number of tools were found during the evolution of mankind. Most of them are stones. Flint, a type of stone, was widely used to make tools and weapons. Both big and small stones were used for making tools and weapons. The bigger ones were shaped into axe heads, hammers, and choppers. The stone tools were used to cut trees, scrape the barks of trees, dig the ground, hunt animals, stitch animal skins to make clothes, and to chop meat, fruits, and wood. One of the greatest evidences made by early humans was fire. Over a period, humans learned the use of fire. It provided light and kept them warm. Early humans kept fire burning at the entrance of the caves. Evidence of early rock paintings on the walls of early humans have been found. Example, Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is famous for prehistoric paintings. There are over 750 rock shelters, nearly 500 of which have paintings done by early humans. The colors used in the paintings are red, green, white, and ochre. The 4 Stone Ages. The Stone Age is an early era of early human. The Stone Age can be divided into 4 periods of study based on the type and quality of stone tools that early humans used for their convenience. Paleolithic or Old Stone Age. This period lasted until 10,000 BCE. It started about 12,000 years ago and is further divided into early, lower, middle, and late Upper Paleolithic. In this period, humans used crude stone tools for hunting the animals. The Upper Paleolithic age was characterized by the emergence of regional stone tools. In this era, people spent most of their time searching for food. They hunted animals, caught fishes, gathered nuts and berries. Mesolithic or Middle Stone Age. This period lasted about 1000 BCE till 8000 BCE. It is also called as Middle Stone Age. The stone tools were known as microliths. The tools were smaller, sharper, and more efficient than the tools of the Paleolithic period. They also used stone, animal bones, and horns. Older variety of stone tools were used during this period. In the Mesolithic era, the rock paintings move from the caves to outdoor sites. This era also exhibited plastic art. Hunting and gathering food was the main occupation of this period. Animal bones have been found in their caves, showed that they are domesticated animals. Neolithic or New Stone Age. The Neolithic age followed the Paleolithic age. It is also called as Age of Chipped Stone Tools, and it preceded the Bronze Age or early period of metals. It ended when the metal tools became widespread. This period lasted from 8000 BCE till about 4000 BCE. The tools used during this period were much sharper and polished to sparkle. A large number of axes, sickles, spears, and arrowheads have been found from Neolithic sites. Chalcolithic Age. It was found around 6000 years ago. In this era, humans started using copper. Along with stone tools, they made tools of copper that were much stronger than those of stone. The presence of painted pottery is a hallmark of Chalcolithic age. The people of these periods followed burial practice and dead were buried in a particular location. Since both copper and stone were used in this era, it is called as Chalcolithic age, that is, Copper Stone Age. It was a short 4000 to 2000 BCE. yet an important period because it brought.
Okay, children, I hope you understand this lesson towards history. What are the topics we learned from this lesson? Nature of human evaluation, Stone Age, cultivation. Okay, did you understand everything? I sent some exercise through our WhatsApp group. You follow it. Note down. Thank you.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते